Over the last few years, drones have really rocked the video and photo world, giving people a new way to see amazing landscapes from up high. But now, DJI have taken that to the next level with their most immersive drone experience yet. The DJI FPV, or first-person view drone, is a fully immersive experience like never before, combining the best parts of the high-resolution video drones we've come to know and the ultra-fast and precise racing drones. The included goggles allow you to see through the drone lens in real time at an ultra-wide 150-degree viewing angle, matching that of a human eye field of view. The live video is displayed to you through the goggles at an ultra-smooth 120 Hz, so you really feel like you're in the drone. First-person view or FPV racing drones need to deliver live video at high speeds to enable you to fly them without causing you to crash your drone. This usually results in compromised, low-quality video, like something you'd get on an old VHS. The newly developed DJI O3 Transmission system delivers crystal clear, razor-sharp 4K video like what you'd see at a cinema at up to 60 frames per second, so you catch every detail, and sends the live video feed from camera to goggles at the ultra-low latency of just 28 milliseconds. Making it as responsive as most video games, giving you the smoothest, sharpest, most accurate experience while flying. The FPV drone includes a remote controller with 3 distinct flight modes, allowing users of any skill level to fly the FPV. The precision thumbsticks respond to the slightest of movements, allowing you to navigate tight spots at high speeds with pinpoint accuracy. DJI have revolutionized the FPV experience even further by creating the optional DJI Motion Controller. This compact wand-style remote enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. And for those moments of panic, you can engage the emergency brake to immediately stop and hover in place wherever you are, which could save you from any potential collisions. This entire ecosystem, from goggles to controllers to drone, all connect to each other wirelessly, with up to 10 kilometers of video transmission range with the use of their newly developed DJI O3 Transmission system. The goggles have a record button built right into them, so you can capture the action wirelessly without having to take them off. All of this is backed by the intelligent batteries, giving you the freedom to truly experience flight like you've always imagined, totally unrestrained by wires. Please remember that current Australian drone laws require users to have a permit to fly solo FPV. So make sure you check out casa.gov.au for further details. For more information on the FPV drone, head to your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.